Hello, friends. Welcome to Wikividya. I'm Tanya, and today I'll be discussing the second poem from the Flamingo book, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum. I have also discussed the previous year questions that were asked from this chapter later in the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Also, if you are new to my channel and have missed out the other chapters from the book, I have an entire playlist created on my channel which includes all those chapters. I will leave a link in the description box. The poet is Stephen Spender, and through this poem he has tried to highlight कि कैसे जो गरीब बच्चे हैं they are subjected to injustice and inequality. The children are far away from rough seas where there is thrill, joy and adventure. They are uncertain and ignorant and उन्हें अपने फ्यूचर के लिए कोई होप नहीं है. There is a tall girl in the class जो अपना सर झुकाकर बैठी है because इतनी यंग एज में ही उसे बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शोल्डर करनी पड़ रही है. The thin boy in the class is always looking here and there for food. एक लड़के को एक डिजीज है which he inherited from his father, जिसकी वजह से his bones have twisted and his growth has stopped. लास्ट बेंच में एक लड़का बिल्कुल चुप होकर बैठा है and no one is paying attention to him. He is dreaming about having a small tree house and playing with the squirrels. The walls of the classroom have turned yellow due to lack of proper maintenance. दीवार पर बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स और मैप्स थे जो लोगों ने डोनेट किए थे. There was a portrait of Shakespeare's head, dome-shaped buildings in the cities, and a valley of colorful flowers. There was also a map on the wall which showed this little world of children in the classroom what the rest of the world looked like. But उनकी दुनिया इतनी ब्यूटीफुल एंड कलरफुल नहीं थी जैसा वो इन पिक्चर्स में देख रहे थे. Their world was the slum that they lived in, where they had no hope for a better future. जहाँ वो रहते थे वहाँ सिर्फ एक पतली सी गली थी with houses on both sides and the sky was always covered with clouds. They have never seen any beautiful rivers or fields, nor did they ever hear any good words. शेक्सपियर की जो स्टोरीज थी वो इन बच्चों को एक विजन देती थी ऑफ लव एंड हैप्पीनेस एंड प्रोस्पेरिटी जो वो सिर्फ इमेजिन कर सकते थे बट एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर सकते थे. Through the map, the children knew that so many beautiful places exist in the world, but they could never visit them. All of these caused a sense of grief in them, and they were tempted to steal. वो बहुत छोटे घरों में रहते थे और बहुत malnourished थे. The children wore broken spectacles and were constantly mending and using them. They will never be able to get out of the slum, and instead of the big colorful map, they should make a big black patch and teach them that this is their world because their slum is always dark. Even till the last day of earth, they will hope for improvement. जो influential leaders है, like government officials and rich people, वो अपने मनी और पावर को यूज करके इन बच्चों के लिए एक बेटर लाइफ बना सकते हैं. उन्हें इस स्लम से बाहर ला सकते हैं. Their lives are like catacombs, full of darkness and miseries and problems. Catacombs are small narrow tunnels जिसमें coffins डालकर उसे सील कर दिया जाता है. The influential leaders should break the boundaries of the slum and let the children go out and learn from nature. Let them have fun and adventure and let them do whatever they want to without anything holding them back. जब ये बच्चे अपने स्लम से बाहर आएंगे और ऐसा कुछ अचीव करेंगे जो उनके जैसे लोगों ने कभी नहीं किया है, दे विल क्रिएट हिस्ट्री. और हिस्ट्री तभी क्रिएट होगी जब सभी लोग अपने अंदर एक सेंस ऑफ इक्वालिटी लाएंगे, जब सबको अपनी क्रिएटिविटी एक्सप्रेस करने की इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी विदाउट एनी सोशल, फाइनेंशियल, रिलीजियस और कलर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. So that was the summary of this poem which gives us a very important message. Let us now move on to the previous year question papers. 2020 में इस चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा गया था. The question asked in the year 2019 was, read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. The stunted unlucky hair of twisted bones reciting a father's gnarled disease, his lesson from his desk. At back of the dim class, one unnoted, sweet and young. His eyes lives in a dream of squirrel's game in tree room other than this. The first question was, who is the unlucky hare? The answer would be, the lean and thin boy having rat's eyes and a stunted growth is the unlucky hare. The second question was, what has he inherited? The answer would be, he has inherited a disease from his father which has caused his bones to twist. The third question was, who is sitting at the back of the dim class? The answer would be, a sweet young boy is sitting at the back of the dim class. He sits there unnoticed. The last question was, how is he different from the rest of the class? The answer would be, he is hopeful for a better future and dreams of playing with squirrels or of better things other than this dim and unpleasant classroom has, such as green fields and open seas. The question asked in the year 2018 was, how is Shakespeare wicked and the map a bad example for the children of the school and slum? The answer would be, the stories of Shakespeare give the children a vision of a world that is full of happiness, prosperity, romance, and charm, which they can only imagine and never experience. Through the map, the children know that there are beautiful places in the world, but they can never visit them. All of this would only be in their memories and would be a constant cause of grief. Hence, the map and the portrait of Shakespeare's head is a bad example for the children. The question asked in the year 2017 was, read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. At back of the dim class, one unnoted sweet and young. His eyes live in a dream of squirrels' games in tree room other than this. The first question was, why is the class dim? The answer would be, the class is not well lighted and the walls have become yellow due to lack of proper maintenance. The second question was, how is the young child different from others? The answer would be, he is hopeful for a better future and dreams of playing with squirrels or of better things than this dim and unpleasant classroom has, such as green fields and open seas. The third question is, what is he doing? The answer would be, he is dreaming of a better time playing a squirrel's game inside a tree room and of beautiful things like green fields and open seas. The last question was, what is a tree room? The answer would be, a tree room is a room which is built inside the bark of a tree. The question asked in the year 2016 was, read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. The stunted unlucky hair of twisted bones reciting a father's gnarled disease, his lesson from his desk. At back of the dim class, one unnoted, sweet and young. His eyes live in a dream. The first question was, who is unlucky hair and what has he inherited? The answer would be, the lean and thin boy having rat's eyes and a stunted growth is the unlucky hair who has inherited a disease from his father that has caused his bones to twist. The second question was, what is the stunted boy reciting? The answer would be, he is reciting a lesson from his desk. The third question was, who is sitting at the back of the dim class? The answer would be, a sweet young boy is sitting at the back of the dim class. He sits there unnoticed. And the last question was, why is the classroom dim? The answer would be, the classroom is not well lighted and the walls have become yellow due to lack of proper maintenance. And that is all for this lesson, guys. Stay tuned for the next lesson. I have also provided the entire question paper for the last 5 years in the description box below. You can check them out. You can also connect with me through email or through Facebook or Instagram. I'll mention everything in the description box. For any queries or feedback, do leave a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share it. And also hit the bell button so you are notified every time I post a new video. Bye.